There, buddy. Woo. Yes! Woo! Reset, go again. On. No, you're right.
Oh, that was on the old tree boat.
That is right. Got some really big tunery shapes. I don't think he's going to set any world records, but it's weird. Wait, it's fighting. I guess it's tunery. Can you go forward a bit? Or? Oh, that's a that's a tuna, long tail. Oh, he's on. That's a good fish. Good fish.
Get the pressure on so I get the second plate.
Do you want to be up the front, Dad? Doesn't look like it, does it? Definitely on. Do you want to go up the front or not? I think he's just coming towards us, eh? Try and turn into the side bend. Get into him, old fella.
Yeah, you do that, I'll do it.
How's it feel?
Big.
Pretty big, yeah.
Get the net ready and that. Wow.
Try and, he's under the boat.
Go around the front, Dad, just scoop it
Right, wide. It's definitely, it's a long tail, big long tail. Do you want it in the net? No, he's going to come to the net. Fuck, this net's going to break. Oh my god.
Oh yeah! Nice fish there, old stuff. Outside me, what he called you weight, mate.
Measure him up, Dad. Boys, quick measure. Quick measure.
What do you measure from, the inside or the out?
Right,
Yeah.
tape. Yeah, about there.
24, I got it. Right, nice and quick, I'll try and get this one. Just, yeah, under his belly and just... It's only a little Mac tuna, but That was still pretty cool, but thanks.
Hey, dude. They're always 300 metres away. Oh my god. Oh, that's a big. That's good. I think this is a Spanish. It's up the top. It's right up the top. It's definitely a Spanish. Oh, it's a marlin! It's a marlin! It's a sailfish!
Oh, yes! Woohoo! Try and make your way to the front, so just keep that pressure on.
Yeah, I'm trying. Can you just drive forward so I can always got pressure?
Yeah, you just do.
Dad, can you be the middleman to get me up the front? He's coming up, he's coming up! Just check that camera's on, dude. I'm pretty sure it is.
Yeah. You need to get up and down.
He's coming up. Yeah, well, just wait till he goes down. He's coming up. Hey! Yeah, well. Dad, grab that top quick. One. Yeah, I'm right. I'm good. Perfect. Just keep him on the side so his tail doesn't break the braid. It's coming up. Whoa! I think it's a marlin, eh? Oh no, it's definitely a sailfish. It's wrapped around him. It's a sailfish, it's beautiful.
It needs to be up facing forward in the boat, okay? They don't need to keep going forward, otherwise it's going to jump in the boat. Okay, so that's it. Now try and drag him around.
It's fucking big, mate. Where do you want it, dude?
I don't want anything near that. Slide it right up like this.
It's going to be hard with those. With the
Going forward, the boat needs to be going forward, right?
You haven't got it? Just remember all those trebles and that, eh?
That are you up, right?
How are you going to do it with those trebles?
Keep driving.
Do you want me to grab the tape? Righto. Get in the water. Tuck the in gear forward, Dad.
That lure out of the way. How cool. Today has just been an absolutely epic day. Definitely the best day of fishing that we've had, I reckon.
So cool.
Just give him
a good
pretty
swim.
big saily. Give him a nice swim, get him nice and revived. Someone be on shark watch for me so I don't lose his hand. And once she kicks, we'll go. Whew.
I was not expecting that to come up. Definitely want to make sure it goes back healthy.
Righto, big girl. There you go. Righto, legends. Just going to do a bit of a recap for the day and what an epic day it was today. Bloody unbelievable. So we started off the day, as we kind of discussed before, with a little bit of pelagics, and they kind of got on top of us today, the pelagics. So we really focused on them, and it really glassed off today throughout the morning as well. So we snuck off and got the girls just for a bit of a whale watch. But while we were looking at the whales, I threw a couple of lures out and then just went hectic, and we had some mayhem. It was pretty cool. The boys are just having a bit of a bottom bounce now, just across the bit of bottom we found when we first came out this morning. But I hope you enjoyed that episode, guys. It was a bloody ripper for us. Probably one of the best days we've had fishing ever in our lives, I'd say, as a whole. Massive longtails, sailfish, like mackies. It was like an epic day. So if you guys are thinking of coming up here, so up here at Pender Bay, we're staying at Smithy's. It's 20 bucks per head per night up there. Got shower and toilets. Probably bring your own shower if you got one. Don't rely on it. I haven't been to it, but I've heard it's a bit dodgy. But as a whole, like, this is epic. This place, you can beach launch for the majority of the tide. These are big tides. So we have to wait until we can get a bit of water before this bigger boat can get in, but the guys at Tinnies pretty well get it in at most tides. All your neap tides and stuff, you'll get it in pretty easy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, legends, hook in.
You hook it out.
This is lemon berry.
We do.